Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I'm going to share a review for this L18 Eye Drama Bold Black Kajal. This is not a newly launched product, but this is a reduced price product. That is, you can see over here the MRP earlier was 140 rupees and now it is retailing for 90 rupees. So I thought of let's review this Kajal, and since Kajal is a basic makeup necessity, or you can say it even never comes in makeup also, it is a basic necessity of a school going, college going or housewife or anyone. Generally 100 maybe 80 or 90% out of 100 will be using Kajal. Of course this is a black Kajal, so very basic Kajal, but we will see all details in this video. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And you will say, why Meghna all 4 different nail polish? This is not fashion. Definitely you all can see I have not even painted this nail. This is just one. I wanted to click one photograph for Instagram. For this I had applied all this. So if you want to check out my latest photographs and all on Instagram, definitely you all can go ahead. We can be friends on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that. Alright, so that is all for the intro part. I have already told you the basic details. I got this product basically from Nykaa. When I got this, Nykaa was having some offer that if you purchase any of the thing from L18, okay, besides the nail polish, if you purchase, besides L18 nail polish, if you purchase anything, you will get one lipstick free. Of course, that lipstick, free lipstick, how it turns generally. Same happened with this also, but I was not interested particularly in lipstick. I was basically interested in this product, and I got this product. It is MRP is 90, but I got this around for 79 rupees, and on that I got one lipstick free. So what I'll do is, whenever I'm giving any product to any of my friends or maybe any of my subscribers who is my family, so I'll definitely put up that lipstick also in the giveaway, because I am not anyways going to use it, and if it is like someone else can enjoy it and someone else can cherish it, then why not? Definitely I'll be putting up in the giveaway. So that's it for I think I've given you all the background. This is I got from Nykaa. As I told you, you all can see I have already torn off the packaging because I am already using it. I kept this product on testing also, and I have reached to some particular conclusion. So let's talk about it. Okay, this is the packaging. It comes in this kind of packaging, black. Okay, you can just tear it from here. Okay, the net weight is 0.35 gram. Normal Kajal, what we always get is 0.35 gram. The manufacturing and expiry, everything is given over here. 2 years shelf life you get, and bold black is the shade what I have purchased. I guess in this you get only one shade, but still I'll check up if other shades are available. I'll link that product also. I'll link that also in the description box, how you can use it, and every detail, each and every detail is given over here. Top of the most, like in 79 rupees you are getting this Kajal, and this is the best part, is it is retractable. Yes, it is retractable. You all can see over here it is written L18. Okay, Eye Drama Bold Black, last all day, smudge proof, waterproof. Okay, and the content and everything, used before one second, let me see, used before, batch number, okay, used before. In this they have specified a C pack. So if you want to throw this away, make a tag and just stick it on this, and you can definitely throw away this tag. But what I do is I always keep my every makeup product in the box itself. The packaging in which it comes, I always keep in that. So it is up to you. If you want to throw away, but then that expiry, just note down on this particular if you want to. All up to you. No like compulsion. You all can see it comes like, one second. I'll just, if you can hear, just hear it properly. It comes in a there is a tick kind of sound when you open it. The tick kind of sound comes, so that you can come to know that the Kajal, like you have opened the Kajal. This much product you are getting. Okay, and as I told you, MRP is 90 rupees. Now what we will do is we will just smudge. We will do the smudge proof and everything testing. See, this is the one stroke Kajal. You all can see, of course, don't look at the stroke because my stroke is not straight. It is a little bit crooked. But the thing is, what we want to see is how it is bold black. This is just one stroke. Yes, one stroke only. And if you just repeat the stroke on that, then definitely it is going to be bold. See, y'all can see. What we will do is we will keep this for few seconds at least to settle it down, because without settling down, if we'll smudge any damn kajal, they will smudge. So we have to wait for some time. By the time, what we'll do is we'll just talk about the packaging and everything. It is a twistable form. Okay, in this there is no sharpener. Like in Blue Heaven and all, you get the sharpener here, but in this you don't get any sharpener. But I don't think in this you require any kind of sharpener. That's what my assumption is. You all can see the nib is also very well, like you can easily make, if you want to use this on your waterline, definitely you all can use. And of course, if you want to use it on your eyelash line, that is upper lid, definitely you all can use this. Okay, I have not tried this on my eyelid, upper eyelid, but definitely on the waterline you can say I have used this, and this kajal was there on my eyelid for more than 8 hours. Yes, it was there. So definitely for me it is a yay. I like this kajal. So there are basically lot of options which you can select. Either you can go for L18, you can go for Plum. If you compare Plum and L18, L18 one is little bit, of course not little bit, I think it is 1/4 cost. 9 4s are 360, and that is around 475, 1/5 of the cost. Okay, and this is retractable. The Plum one is you have to sharpen it. Okay, of course it comes with sharpener. This doesn't come with sharpener because you don't have to sharpen it. It comes retractable. So like when you compare pros and cons, each and every kajal or whatever, they have pros and cons, but in this I like this very much because this is very budget friendly. 90 rupees, even college girl can afford it. I do understand lot of people, they are not earning, so they are dependent on someone. So basically, keeping that point in mind, I try to review this product. And definitely stay tuned to my channel because I have got lot of affordable products for you to review. Okay, so I am basically trying all that products. I'll be coming up one by one with each and every product review. So you have to be there on my channel. Now I think 1 minute is already over. What we'll do is on one side we'll do smudge test, and on one side we'll do the water resistant test. Okay, does it claim anything? Let's see. Basically they don't claim anything that this is waterproof, this is smudge proof and all, but yeah, definitely we can say yeah, it is smudge proof and waterproof. They say here, let's see. So this is one side, we'll do smudge proof. No, this is not smudge proof. You all can see, you can easily smudge it off. But if you are looking out for some budget friendly, now what I'll do is I'll drip some water. See, now this is water. The best part is the water doesn't come colored, that is the water is not black. So of course you can say this is water resistant. Okay, water resistant because the water comes normal black only, normal water only. Now we'll do is water. What I'll do is this one is a little bit smudged finger, so I'll take another finger. I'll take some water on my finger and then I'll try to smudge it. Does it go with water? No, it takes little long time. See, I'm doing it. So maybe for smudging I must have smudged little early. Maybe, I'm not sure, but over here you all can see I'm doing it with water and I'm giving proper pressure. It's not I'm not giving proper pressure. I am giving. Now it has become light. But this much you will not smudge your eyes. Like I am smudging like rigorously. You will definitely not smudge your eyes like this. You all can see still it is staining my hand. So definitely for me you can say yeah, smudge proof, definitely you can give it a shot because each and every person has different kind of waterline. Somebody has watery like waterline, somebody doesn't have. So it depends all up to you. But for me, definitely, if you will tell me, will you repurchase this? Yes, because it is jet black. I will definitely repurchase once I'm over with all my stock of kajals. Definitely, I'm going to repurchase this. If you have not watched my video, in that I have swatched almost more than 10 kajals. I'll be linking that video up in the I button and also in the description box. You all can go that. In that collection, definitely this one more is added, and I guess this will be on top list or top 5 or maybe top 3. This much I like. You can say I love this kajal this much, so I don't have to say much more about this. and I have covered each and every point. I have covered the packaging part, I have covered the price, I have covered the test and all. But still, if you have any query related to this, you can comment down below. Definitely I'll read the comment and I'll try to revert as soon as possible. Or else if you want to DM me, you can definitely DM me on my Instagram also. I will definitely reply there as well. So that's it for this video. If you have any other video request, you can definitely comment down below. I'll try to fulfill your request. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm wrapping off for today. Till next video, this is Meghna saying bye to all. Bye.